So this is the tutorial of the JBL Everest 710GA on how to replace the ear cups. As you can see that my ear cups here is really broken and it really looks ugly. The things that you need is a duct tape, you need some prying tools, and you need a lot of patience to take it off. First thing to do is to insert the prying tool on the middle of the gap in between the plastic and the ear cup. So next you need to put another one to help it push it open. Then a bit later you might need another one to insert to the middle for you to be able to force it open. Now, what's inside? It's not clips, but rather it is a double-sided tape, which is very, very sticky. And all you need to do is carefully open it, as you might break the double-sided tape that you will need a little bit later. Unless you have replacement, you might need this one to put it back together a little bit later. But if you have a replacement tape, go ahead and destroy it, no problem. Now if you want, you can clean it up using a duct tape to remove all of the leatherette on the sides. Next is to apply the new ear cups. So carefully, you just need to put it around. So for the original one, they put on some adhesive to stick it together. But on this one, I don't think you need it. All you need to do is just wrap it around. Then you just need to carefully don't break the leather from the new ear cups. Then you have to carefully see there's two holes here, a small one and a big one. Don't forget to remember which is left, which is right, because I made my own markings. Now carefully insert this small one first and push it hard to let the double-sided tape do its thing. Now after that, do it on the other ear cup, and then you're almost done. So all you need to do is just simply press it harder for it to close the gap between the plastic and the ear cup. If you guys know how to replace the leather on the headband, do comment it on the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you on the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.